for today. So guys, as you can see, nag-aaral pa rin ako because today is the final exam. I'm studying 2 subjects which are AP and English. Oh my gosh, it's going to be AP now, guys. Sana I get a score that I like.
Your strata subject?
Yes. And also, I'm really excited because this is the last exam. I'm free! Pagkatapos niyan, hindi pa bakasyon. Meron pang school for 1 week. But, finally, tapos na yung exam! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, guys.
1 week na lang palang pasok niyo eh.
Yeah.
During the week na nasa buwan si Daddy, wala ka na palang pasok.
So, guys, meron akong recognition in May 29.
So, hopefully, yun? Honor ka?
So, hopefully, hindi lang ako honor. High honor! Sana, Lord! Sana naman. Because I worked hard for my grades to get up. I went from 94 hanggang 95. I wish I could maintain that. So, after nyan, guys, bakasyon na! I'm so happy! Finally! Pero sometimes, pag nagbakasyon ka, namimiss mo yung school. Pag nagsuschool ka, namimiss mo yung bakasyon.
Sino namimiss mo sa school?
So guys, sa mga nag-aaral sa ibang school dyan, na may bakasyon, anong ginagawa niyo sa bakasyon dyan? Kasi sana naman hindi kayo palaging nagsiselfon dyan. Mag-enjoy naman kayo ng bakasyon. You could do anything while I'm stuck here. Nagbabasa ng books na nag-aaral. Kasi, you could do anything during your vacation. Pero sometimes, namimiss ko na talaga yung school pag vacation. Sa totoo lang, parang mas better yung study kaysa sa bakasyon.
Really?
Yeah, because I get to do something, I get to have someone to listen to, I get to have friends to eat lunch with. Like, parang kasi parang I live at school now, tapos sometimes binibisitahan ko yung bahay ko.
Hello?
No, because it's like I'm living in my school, tapos nagbabakasyon ako sa bahay ko. Parang ganun, guys.
Lord, you should not feel that way kaya.
No, because it's like, parang, I really go home since mostly I'm in the office. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!